Hello, won't you join me as I become unhinged while I try to teach myself Notion? Record on Mac. Record screen. This is going swimmingly. Well, I just taught myself how to screen record on my computer I've had for 3 years. So that can tell you how this video will probably go. All right, so what is Notion? You might be asking yourself, and why am I trying to teach myself how to use it? Notion says, like the actual website, as you can see, says it is a one workspace for every team. And so it's like one of these customizable page platform thingies. I'm explaining it so well, where like you can sort of create your own document, share it with people in your organization, or just use it for your own work, and you can really like customize it. I've noticed that a lot of people use this to help with their time management, which really wouldn't kill me to have better time management. But the thing that, like, the main reason why I'm trying to teach myself Notion is because the other day I was looking at freelance positions, as I do because I'm a teacher and, can barely make ends meet on a teacher salary and have like writing experience, editing experience, all those things. So I was looking and I found that there was a full-time job at a reputable place that I had all of the qualifications and experience for, but the only thing that I didn't have was knowledge of how to use Notion. And I thought, well, that needs to be something that I have under my belt, because this job was paying $85,000 to $95,000, which may not sound like a lot of money to you. I don't know like where you're coming from, but to me that is like a ton, like a laughable amount more than I'm making currently in my current job. So anyway, long story short, did not apply to that job, but I did think, hey, let me learn Notion. So I am going to create it. Like, Notion has a paid option, but then it also has, from what I gather, like a free option. Like a free option if you just use it for yourself. So I'm planning to use this as of now, just sort of like a time management and project management thing for me, for my YouTube channel and my other forms of social media. So I'm just planning on just using this for like a project management basis for myself. So you select the type of work you do. So I'm gonna say project management. I'm a solopreneur, and document editing and sharing and personal note taking. Okay. So it's going to be for myself, and that actually is what I look like, which is a little weird. All right, so they have templates for us and things. So getting started. So you can edit that. That's cool. Okay. Click anywhere to start typing. Okay, so they do have templates for you, but you know what? You know what? I'm just going to like go all at it and be like, I don't need a template. Let me just try myself. So, I can add a cover. So they have covers built in, or gradients. I was gonna say that's a pretty color, but it's just beige, so we don't want to be boring. Gradient 5. Clicking on this little thing with our 3 dots has all of these actions that come up. All right, so that is a separate page, I guess. Wait, where did that take me? To do. Take pic on a wall. Oh, that'd be cute. Delete. All right, so though, I just lost my page. Where'd my page go? Okay, so click the plus. It's just another page. So doing filming Notion video. There. All right, to do edit Notion video, and nothing is done. So let's see if I can And you can drag and drop. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, so you can drag and drop things. So let's see. Study with me 2. So I'm doing a new thing on my channel where I have a study with me every Wednesday. It's going to be like a wind down Wednesday sort of thing with just doing things with relaxing music. So I'm going to have 4 each month. New task, or you can put a new empty page. Okay, so that is good. Have widgets and stuff on here. I feel like you could, because I've seen some people that they put like super pretty things. But okay, cool. So this is really user friendly. Like you can just drag and drop things into place, which is nice. So let's see. Daily. I want to call this a movie list. What would I do daily? Since I don't watch movies daily. I can change the icon. So this can be like crying emoji. Oh, because it's a movie thing. Delete, delete, delete. Okay, so let's see though. Let's see. All right, so which are getting a lot easier. If you're new here, I had shoulder surgery 2 months ago. Today that I'm filming this actually makes 10 weeks, so I'm progressing with my physical therapy, but it's getting better. It's still really painful though. So like wall ABCs, trucks times 30. You don't care about my physical therapy, so let me quickly go through this. Okay, I think that's all I have to do. I kind of forget, except like in the motion. Like when I'm doing that in the motion. So personal home, there we go. Daily physical therapy. We're gonna rename that to skin cycling, which is a video I will be doing in a few weeks. Okay, maybe not the best. Face. There we go. No. Calendar. Oh, you can put a calendar in here. Okay. So I'm going to exfoliate. No, that's it. Moisture. Spelling's not my friend, y'all. Moisturize. And then moisturize. That's it. That's the skin cycling video. You just do this over and over. You exfoliate, treat, moisturize, moisturize. That's it. But in that video, I'll have actual products. Okay. How did I put it? Oh, there we go. So that little board view. Calendar. Okay, so perfect. So I can put, so this was a study with me. And this one is going to be failing to learn Notion. I guess I'm not failing. I'm just a slight garbage fire. And that's okay. It's a garbage can, not a garbage can't. And this will be book of the month, I think. Yeah, I can fill this in a little later. But so you can have calendars, which is good. I could really see that being helpful if you had a team. So you can tag it. I can comment on my own entry. Wait, another one. Wait, once you're here though, how do you write on it? Switch peak mode. Oh, because it's a peak, because it's moving over. Okay. Empty page. Ah, there we go. All right. Dear diary. Today I'm learning Notion. It's a very successful venture. XOXO. Have you ever looked to see how much that actress got paid for just doing the voiceover for Gossip Girl? I mean, go for it. Like, go for it. But it's an obnoxiously large amount per episode. A mood board. As a child of the 90s. I am all about the mood boards, so let's see. All right, use this template to collect inspiration and categorize galleries. You can also use Notion Web Clipper to save web pages to this gallery. Perfect. Okay. Makeup. All right. Link. A great little makeup-centered Instagram account, if I do say so myself, is Caffeinate and Makeup by yours truly. I'm gonna link that because if you can't be an inspiration to yourself. Clearly this picture, by the way, was from when I was much younger and not dead inside. So, gonna link it there. Ooh, and it's there for me. All right, so I think I am going to get most use out of this for like this project management for myself, to really keep myself organized, as well as an actual reading list, because I read a lot and I'm currently doing like various, not various, I'm doing one, but it's a big one. I'm reading 100 books, 100 of the quote-unquote best books, and doing like I'm reading them and I'm filming like my reaction to them, and it's going to be compiled into one big video later on whenever I'm done. So that's going to be good for with this reading list to keep track of that, so that I don't forget books, and I don't forget, because I have a whole bunch that I brought back to the library, and I realized after like they were slipped in that I forgot to film my like reaction to them. So that reading list is definitely going to help with that. So 100 books for video. How the hell do you do that? Okay, let's take a look at this. Clip articles, okay. Media, articles, new. No. That is not what I want to do. Okay. Yeah, score. I scored that. A 5 out of 5. Red. Did not do the video for though, but okay. So yeah, that I've been recording for 36 minutes. That was less of a garbage fire than I thought it would be. If you've stayed this long, bless you. And I mean, like, seriously, thank you for that, and not the sarcastic way that Southern people say it. But that is it for me today. If you like, I would genuinely like to learn how to use Notion and like all of these cool little gizmos and gadgets you can put on it, how to make it pretty and things like that. So if you know of any videos or any sort of source that I can use to really help me, let me know in the comments down below. My sunlight is going because it's quite late in the evening, but yeah, that is it for me today. If you are new here, I realized I never introduced myself. Theresa, and on this channel we just do hang out and do random things together. It's called One Little Spark of Life because that's exactly what it is. We share one little spark of life, specifically my life, together in each and every video, and I'd love to have you along for the rest of this journey. Yeah, I'm a little tired. I don't exactly know what I'm saying, but genuinely would love to have you along. Consider hitting that subscribe button before you leave here today and sharing out this video for reasons. I don't know. If you found me amusing and you like to show other people how to maybe not use Notion, or you know, so that they don't feel as bad about their technical journeys. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.